Now I need a place for my drink.
Okay, I got you. Hold on.
Oh, nice.
Oh, nice. Still my turn. Hey, what's up? It's Garrett. Back again with some more patio stuff, some more backyard furniture. This week we're making a table, someplace to hold your drink and keep score. All for under 40 bucks. 40 bucks. Hey, it's Kim and Garrett.
If you like to build it, make it, do it, then join us each week on Wednesdays and Fridays for new episodes.
Last week on Kim and Garrett Make It, we built a rest for Kim's bum. This week, we're going to save her rum.
This week we're making a drink table to go with the stool that we made and the cornhole board set.
This week's cut list is simple again. We're going to start by assembling the top. Alright, we're going to build a frame using those 14 by 7/8 boards, the 1x6s, and the 20-inch 1x6s. We're going to use screws, 1 1/4 inch screws. Oops. Oh, glue. The glue struggle. The glue struggle is still real. Alright, we got the top framed out. Now it's time to add the drink holders. Or the bottom of the drink holders. That's these two pieces. These are the 14 by 7/8.
Yep.
Alright, we want them to sit off of the bottom a little bit. You know, give your drink a little bit of room. We're making drink holders that sit inside. Piece of scrap wood, 3/4 of an inch thick. Yeah. Put it up in there. Alright, we got the frame together, we got the bottom of the drink holders in. Now it's time to make the drink holder part. Before we attach the top, we have these 3 1x6s that are 20 inches long. For the top, we're going to go ahead and put a hole in 2 of them for your drink. Like a Huggy, Snuggy, Chuggy. It's one of those.
Chuggy.
Alright, so we're going to measure in 2 inches, 2 3/4 inches from the side and the top. I'm going to B-roll this. And we're going to do it at opposite ends of 2 different boards. I guess opposite ends doesn't mean anything yet. Alright, we're going to drill a pilot hole and cut around the edge again. I don't need no stinking clamp. Clamp on this. Chappelle. Maybe I need a clamp. Clamp 'em if you got 'em. I'm gonna round out those holes. Got our holes drilled, got them sanded out. Now it's time to attach the top. Forgot the glue again. Gonna line them up, make sure it's all square. Now we're gonna pin it down with some screws. Alright, we got our drink holders in there. Ready to put the bottom in?
The base.
Ready to put the base in. It's all about that base. So we have two 2x4s. We're going to slide them in down in here. Right, they're going to look like this. And then we're going to put this these two 2x4s, we're going to pin them together to make a T out of this and slide it back in here.
It's a fun game.
Set that over there. I didn't want to use a 4x4 because it costs like 10 bucks. So I just got a 2x4 and cut it in half. It's actually two 2x4s cut to 42 inches.
Yep.
Gonna make a T. Now we're going to pin these two together. Using the 3-inch nails again. Going to come in at a little bit of an angle. It's all about that base. Oh, it's like Thor's hammer. Time to put the base in the top. Almost done. Where does the time go, everybody? Where does the time go? Just slide it on in. Woo! Like a glove. See what it looks like? Boop. Now I'm going to screw it together.
You want 2s or 3s?
3s, please. I'm going to come in and put a 1 1/4 inch nail down in to catch those 2x4s. We're going to add some trim around the top. Try to give it a little bit of decoration. We're going to use these 1x3s, 16.5 and 21 5/8. 2 of each. Get it all gluey. We're going to put it up with those 1 1/4 inch nail screws.
Next step, we're gonna build a score system. So we're gonna put a bunch of little holes along the sides that a peg will go in to keep score on the game. I need 25 holes equally spaced apart.
Do you want to make 2 of those?
I thought I could reuse it. That's what I was thinking.
5. And you're like, how is that table gonna stand? It's got one leg. Well, we built a motor inside. It's stabilizer. It works like a gyroscope. So you just kind of, watch, I'll show you.
Come on, you're so slow.
Because I'm like a sniper.
I'm gonna need a place to sit.
Okay, I got you.
Nice.
Nice.
Nice. Come on, Super Sloth.
Hold on. No. Sniper. Sniper.
Now I need a place for my drink.
Okay, I got you. Hold on.
Oh, nice.
Oh, nice. Still my turn.